In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate and optimize your workflows using Make.com, formerly known as Integromat. Whether you're new to Make or looking for some pointers to streamline your automation process, you're in the right place. To kick things off, let's talk about getting started with Make.com. First, you'll need to either sign up for a new account or log into your existing one. If you're setting up a new account, just provide your email, create a secure password, and follow the prompts to verify your email address. Logging in is straightforward. Just enter your credentials, and you'll gain access to a whole host of automation possibilities. Once you're in, it's time to dive into the core of our journey by creating what's known as a scenario. Scenarios are the heart of automation on Make.com, allowing you to connect different apps and services. To begin, locate and click on the Create a New Scenario button. This step is pivotal as it opens up a new canvas where you'll define how your apps will interact. Let's add Notion as the first app since it's one of the more popular choices for productivity and organization. You can also add other apps you wish to connect. These could be anything from Google Sheets to Slack depending on your specific needs. Now you'll need to authenticate the Notion module using an API key. This is crucial because the API key acts like a bridge between Make and Notion, enabling them to exchange information securely. To do this, navigate to the Notion module within your scenario, and you should see an option to input your API key. If you're not sure where to get this key, head over to your Notion account and look under the Integrations tab to generate one specifically for Make.com. With authentication out of the way, it's time to define the triggers and actions that will shape your automation. Triggers are the events that kick off your scenario. For instance, it might be a new task added to a Notion database. Actions, on the other hand, are what happen in response to these triggers, like sending a notification to Slack or updating a spreadsheet. Specify each trigger and corresponding action to ensure that your workflow does exactly what you need it to. Once your scenario is set up, it's moment of truth time. Run it to see how it performs. Monitor the task executions to ensure everything flows smoothly. Make.com provides detailed logs and stats, which are a great help in understanding each step of your scenario's journey from trigger to action. Finally, don't forget to adjust and tweak the settings to optimize your automation flows. Perhaps you need to set specific conditions or change where notifications are sent. These small changes can make a big difference in efficiency. And there you have it. With these steps, you can harness the power of automation to save time and focus on what truly matters. Thank you for watching, and happy automating!